Today we are going to watch the 5 passive income and earn money from a mobile. Let's see what are those 5 passive incomes are. Number 5 out of 5 passive incomes are sell leads. Selling leads. In this order to become legend, you have to build buyer network, establish lead distribution logic, and build lead purchasing as well. You have to find the customers, whether it be your family, colleagues, friends, whatever. Explain about the business detailing and let them feel good. Add them to your websites, social media, marketing, curator, everywhere you want. I hope you guys understand this is not really very much cool idea. You have to put some effects, hard work, then only you can see some money. And our number 4 out of 5 passive income is cost per click, TPC. This is simply pay per click. They will pay per click that you posting on Facebook, Instagram, other social media, on the advertisement platform as well. No matter where you choose to advertise, Google, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Most important thing about TP is you are the only choice when someone click your ads. They really need to pay you when they click your ads. You have to post them on social medias. Now number 3 out of 5 passive income is, let's see, display ads. This is also really simple and cool idea. This is simply promoting products advertising on your website, social media. You really need to push it on the social media and attract them by posting your creative. It really depends upon your creativity and how do you guys attract them by your post. And our number 2 is really cool one, and I hope you guys know it already. Now number 2 will really cool one and everyone's favorite and my favorite too, and this is none other than YouTube. YouTube. That's number 2 search engine, and an average human being spending 40 minutes per day. You can't believe that. Me too. Simply you have to upload a videos. This is a platform for your creativity, and you will see lot of money here. Then you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch. You have to grow your YouTube channel in order to see some money. And our number 1 out of 5 passive income is dividend-paying stock. Dividend-paying stock. This is really cool idea of 2020. You really don't want to do anything. Simply want to sit at home. Just do this. You have to simply invest here and spend time anywhere you want. Dividend also very decrease. You will have stable and reliable income stream as long as the company you invest in can pay the dividends.